Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Tangerine how to send a wire transfer. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to send a wire transfer with Tangerine, what you need to do is understand Tangerine does not support online wire transfers. Wire transfers must be done by contacting Tangerine directly. So the first step is to simply gather the wire details. You will need recipient name, recipient bank name, bank address, account or IBAN number, SWIFT or BIC code, and amount and currency. The next step is to open the Tangerine application. Simply open up the Tangerine application and log into your Tangerine Bank account. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply tap on the More option at the bottom, then select Contact Us. Then once you select Contact Us, which is found under More Help, the next step is to start a secure message or call. Then under the Contact Us option, you'll find the secure message option. Simply select that, and then you can choose secure message or call customer service. The next step is to request a wire transfer. Simply tell the agent you are requesting a wire transfer, and you will need domestic or international wire, recipient banking details, which account to send from. The next step is to review fees and exchange rate. Simply review wire fees and exchange rate, and fees apply. Exchange rates may vary, and wires are usually final and non-reversible. The next step is to confirm the wire transfer. On the screen, you'll find the confirm option. Simply confirm and authorize the transfers, and funds are withdrawn once processed. The next step is to wire the transfer sent by simply tapping on OK, and the domestic usually takes same or next business day, and international wire transfer takes 1 to 5 business days. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.